Texas Roadhouse Rattlesnake bites. Ingredients: 1 cup shredded mozzarella, 1 cup shredded Monterey Jack, 2 jalapeños, minced, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 cup all-purpose flour, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 3 large eggs, beaten, 1 cup plain breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, canola or vegetable oil, for frying, ranch dressing, for serving. Directions: line a large, rimmed baking sheet with parchment. In a large bowl, mix together cheeses, jalapeños, and garlicup. Using a tablespoon, scoop into balls and squeeze tight. Place on baking sheet and freeze until solid, at least 30 minutes. Set up dredging station. In a shallow bowl, add flour and season with salt and pepper. In another shallow bowl, add eggs. In a third shallow bowl, add breadcrumbs, paprika, garlic powder, and cayenne. Mix to combine. Roll frozen cheese balls into flour, then eggs, and then breadcrumbs, repeating until all are well coated. In a large, deep skillet, heat 1/4 inch oil over medium heat until shimmering. In batches, fry bites until golden on all sides, about 3 minutes. Drain on paper towels. Serve bites with ranch.